Salut, you're welcome to this episode. Still about starting your new year. This is a series about starting your new year strong. And this episode is about visibility. We are taking this new year with being bold, being loud, being visible. This is not a time where you are shy of letting people know what you do, letting people know how you do it, and placing yourself, positioning yourself where they can see you. This year, the visibility has to be loud. You wake up in the morning, what do you use your WhatsApp page for? What do you use your WhatsApp status for? Aside WhatsApp, do your family members even know what you do? There's this pharmacist I met recently. Yes, he's a friend. But I never knew he had other things he was doing. What I knew, oh, he was a pharmacist. I never knew he was a cobbler. He was also into education consultancy. I never knew until we got talking. I told him that you never told me all this. And that's one of the things I want to do. When you meet me, trust me, I would absolutely let you know that either I inform that I'm an author, or I'm an entrepreneur, or I am a French tutor. You need to know about it. When people don't know what you do, how will they refer you? You're not in the forefront of people's mind. So I want you to work on positioning. You want to be visible this new year, right? You have to position yourself. Starting from your social media, clean your social media space. Position yourself rightly. I mean, clean your social media space. Next, you need to talk about your strategy. How do you want to do it? What method do you want to do? Do you want to do organic growth, or do you want to maybe meet people for sponsorship, people to help you promote your business, depending on you? But I would say start where you are, grow, do it. There's no overnight success, right? Unless you get burnt out. Just grow it gradually, be visible, let people see you. And let's talk about social media. Trust me, you can't be on every social media platform. Do the one that works for you for now. Yes, you can be. Maybe if you have assistants, you can be, and if you have the money to fund those things, fine. But right now, if you don't have the money, don't be everywhere. You're on Instagram, you're on TikTok, you're on Facebook. You can't grow all those things at the same time if you're the only one working on it. You can't. And if you can, yes, you can do it, but it will take a lot of work from you. And especially if you're not earning from it, it will even be draining, mentally draining. The burnout is real. So I would say pick two social media platform. You can say you are using maybe YouTube. Some people say YouTube is hard. That depends on you and your ability to scale through the criterias. So choose the one that works for you. Is it TikTok you want to use, or is it Facebook? And before you even choose the one that works for you, what way do you want to express your thoughts to people? Is it with your voice, or is it with writing? If you look at if it's writing, you can use platform like Twitter, platform like Facebook. Twitter is now X, right? You can use Facebook, still has some form of writing, a lot of writing, right? But if you are talking about videos, you can look at YouTube, you can also look at TikTok, you can also look at Facebook, right? Why I'm saying this, talking about the medium which you want to use to express your thoughts, is because I looked at myself. I am more of a vocal person. But trust me, anybody that can talk can write. But anybody that can write might not be able to talk. They are two different things, because talking takes a lot of charisma, it takes a lot of boldness. It means for you to be able to say something out of your head, or talk means that there's something inside your head. And trust me, what you are saying can be written. Or imagine I'm saying, talking now, I can write it down. But some people that are writers might not be able to be good speakers, because that's a different ballgame. Writing has this kind of space where you are in your own, in your confinement, you're writing, you're expressing yourself, you and your pen, it's your book. But speaking is a different ballgame. So look for the one that works for you. Which one can you wake up in the morning and do effortlessly, without stress, without complaining? work with that one and stick by it. I don't even want this episode to be lengthy. What I'm just saying, position yourself properly this year for visibility. Go the permissionless way. And if you don't have money to run hard and all, do it on your own page. Wake up in the morning and post. Let people know. Say it in the simple terms. This is what I do. This is how I can help you. Additionally, I will say that as you're building your online presence, don't forget to build a physical presence so that in case one day social media vanishes, boom, your life doesn't vanish with it. So have something that you are doing physically that brings in money that you can bank on if all these things we are building on social media vanishes. So I'll see you in another one. Don't forget that my book titled How to Fight Pornography and Masturbation Addiction is ready for you to buy. The link will be in the description box below. And I'll see you in another one. Bye for now.